The rigs closing out 2025. You want to go through them? Let's go. The booger is in plow mode. Daily driver is still kicking. Roadster is still in Christmas mode, but I'm going to pull all the lights off and put it back where it belongs here in a little bit. If you didn't know, I built this all just from scrap and parts I found on Facebook and Craigslist for super cheap. I think I'm in it maybe 400, 500 bucks. The old 41 Buick looks kind of sad in here. Not much work got done to this year, other than sheet metal on the rear fenders and stuff like that. So she's sitting and waiting. Undercover, of course. Pop's C10. I actually did a bunch of work to this year. I was repairing his step-side bed fenders, doing all the sheet metal work on that. He messed with the frame on it because the donor frame is bent and tweaked. So we're working on trying to straighten that out, but also looking for maybe another one because it might be a little bit too far gone. But we're still working on that a little bit. Obviously not now because it's snowy. I bought and built a, what is this, 20 by 40 carport. So that took some time to build and put up. But inside, old Jeepers Creepers is chilling. She's running and driving. It's got an oil leak, so I gotta put those cooler lines in. Didn't really do a ton to her this year with everything going on and stuff. My buddy's bike, old tractor and tripper we're trying to sell. 74 Datsun 620. Not a ton happened on this one this year either. Just some like minor sheet metal stuff and whatnot. Yeah, she's back here. She's underneath the shelter, so she's staying dry. The old 67 International. Not a ton happened on this guy either, sadly. I did get a fuel pump for it, and a fuel pump for this one here. So that's that. I did get these Roadster fenders pounded back into shape after they were ran over and mangled a few times. That was a video on the channel. These are Pop's fenders I was talking about. I got them all patched in. I did the whole mounting lip area on both of them. Fixed all the patches, got rid of all the lead, got rid of all the body filler. So they're pretty much ready to go once Pops makes a decision on the fuel door. Because I still have to repair the fuel door, but I don't think he's decided what he wants to do with that yet. What's taking a lot of my time is the house. So I bought a house at the end of August, and I've been working on it, pretty much from August till now, as much as I can. Especially now that it's winter and I don't have an indoor place to work on these beasties. It's chilly out, there's snow, you know, it's kind of miserable. So I've been working on the house, cleaning out the basement, re-insulating everything, doing a lot of mud work and stuff, and that will be a video. I started making that video. I've been recording as much as I can. There are some things I can't record, like the master bathroom, because it's too tight to get a tripod in there. But stuff like past the snow, you can tell that big pine tree is gone. Big old pile of scrap metal in the back of the house here that I pulled out of the house. A lot out of the basement, a lot out of the yard and stuff. I have gotten rid of a ton of garbage. I did a lot of work here to the kitchen, as you can see. Pulling wallpaper and mudding and sheetrock. Here coming up is the master bathroom I started renovating. Here's the basement. Started cleaning it out and priming the floor and the walls and re-insulating. There's a lot more, but you'll see that in another video. So that's pretty much where we set coming out of 2025. It's been a fun year. Got some work done on the rigs. A lot more big life stuff went on. But yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for getting us to that nice 2,000 subscriber level. That was really, really appreciated. That's let us sign up to be monetized, which is great. And since then, it's been like 2 or 3 months, I think. We've made like $72. So that's all thanks to you guys being here and everything. And I'm currently editing this video that you're watching right now, so it's a little bit of inception. See that? You just watched that clip and you just saw those pictures. So 2026, I don't really know what's in store other than still working on the house and working on those cars I just showed you and just going from there. But we'll try to get more videos out than this year, record more content and do all that fun stuff. But we'll see how she goes, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.